friends, let's take a stroll where trees are green and rivers roll. No screens, no noise, just birds that sing, and all the joy that nature brings. Put on your smile, no need for shoes, just comfy feet to chase the views. We'll skip through meadows soft and wide, with butterflies to be our guide. The breeze will whisper in your ear, with tales of squirrels and deer so near. We'll count the clouds, both big and small, and watch the raindrops gently fall. See the rainbow in the sky, it's waving as we're walking by. Each color bright, each step a song, in nature's world we all belong. A lamb may bleat, a goat may play, a cow might moo along the way. And every sound and scent you find will paint a picture in your mind. So grab a friend or come with me, let's wander wild and happy free. The trees, the stream, the buzzing bee, all wait for kids like you and me. Outside, explore, discover, nature's joy is like no other.